come on. You can't leave. It's raining. Look, I said I was sorry, okay? It's a cool campaign. It's really cool. We're just not in the mood right now.
Yeah, Mike, and that's the problem. You guys are never in the mood anymore. You're ruining our party.
That's not true.
Really? Where's Dustin right now? See? You don't know, and you don't even care. And obviously, he doesn't either. You're destroying everything. And for what? So you could swap spit with some stupid girl?
Ella's not stupid. It's not my fault you don't like girls. Look, I'm not trying to be a jerk, but we're not kids anymore. I mean, what did you think, really? That we were going to sit in my basement all day and play games for the rest of our lives?
Yeah, I guess I did. I really did.
Will, come on! Will!